Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to work on our final multiplication tables for this year, and they are the 9 times tables. The strategy for multiplying by 9 is -1, make 9. Now I know that sounds confusing, but once you get the hang of it, it actually makes it quite easy. Let's try a problem together. 9 times 6. So we're going to use that number 6 to start. And the first thing we need to do when multiplying by 9 is take away or minus 1. So 6 minus 1 equals 5. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make 9. So 5 plus what equals 9? 5 plus 4 equals 9. Now you're probably wondering, okay, but none of that gives me the answer. But you're wrong. The answer is actually right here. That first number is your tens, and the second number is your ones. So the answer to 9 times 6 is 54. Now, that probably seemed a little tricky, so let's try another one together to see how it works for other numbers. Let's try 9 times 9. So remember, the second number, or the number we're multiplying by 9, is the number we're going to take 1 away from. So we're going to do 9, take away 1. This is going to give us our tens digit. So 9 take away 1 is 8. Now, if I pull that 8 down, I have to think, okay, 8 plus what number is going to give me 9? Well, that's pretty easy. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Now remember, that answer comes from these two digits that we added to make 9. The first digit is our tens, and the second digit is our ones. So the answer to 9 times 9 is 81. I'm going to show you one other strategy with a video in the next part here, and you can use whichever strategy works for you. Just remember that this strategy only works to get up to 9 times 9. Once we get any higher, it gets a little trickier. Let's check out this video to see a different way that we can learn how to multiply by 9 using just our fingers.
In this video, I'll show you how to multiply by the number 9 using only your fingers. This is a very simple method, a fun, visual way to multiply by 9, especially for children. As a first example, let's look at 9 times 3. We'll start with our left pinky and count along our fingers to 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, we'll count the number of fingers to the left of 3. There are 2, so we will put a 2 in the tens place. Now we will count how many fingers are to the right of 3. There are 7, so we put a 7 in the ones place. So our final answer is 27. It's that simple. Let's do another example. Let's find 9 times 5 using only our fingers. We start with our left pinky again and count across to our fifth finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we count the number of fingers to the left of the fifth finger. There are 4, so we put a 4 in the tens place. Next, we count how many fingers are to the right of the fifth finger. There are 5, so we put a 5 in the ones place. So our final answer is 45. Now it's your turn to try this method. Try solving 9 times 7 in 10 seconds. Time's up. Did you get it? There are 6 fingers to the left of 7, and there are 3 fingers to the right of 7. So the correct answer is 63. Cool, huh? For more cool math tricks and help, subscribe to my channel and come see my other videos.
That's a pretty cool strategy. So boys and girls, why don't you give both of these strategies a try today as you work through the problems and see which one works for you? I can't wait to see your work.